content is me creating a mini office or arranging my mini office. So, yung gagawin natin kasi is kasi yung room ko is super yung computer ko is not organized. So, gagawin natin is creating my DIY office. Yan. So, but before anything else, you guys, if you're new here on my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Then hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong vlogs. So, subscription link will be here somewhere here, or yeah, basta lang yun yun. And yeah, let's get started. I'll show you first room and yung computer ko. Alright, so in this part here outside my room, ito po yung balcony. Ito yung mga plants ng ate ko. Yeah. Balcony outside. That's the glass window. So pasok tayo muna. So ito yung room ko. That's the bed where I sleep. And since na magulo kasi maulan, it's been raining a while. Tapos nabasa yung mga gamit. So it's dark. So yan. This is where I sleep. That's my bed. That's the the window going to the terrace. Tapos yan, ito yung office ko. Yan yung computer ko, yung fan, yung setup ng mini office ko. So I'll change it in a bit. So watch out guys. And yeah, basta ayusin ko lang siya. So maybe this one I'll put it here instead of facing here. And yeah, maybe like that way. So yeah. So yes guys, I'm done, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, or if you have any suggestions regarding with my setup, you are free to comment anything in the comment section down below. Then if you're new here on my channel, please do subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for you to be able para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos. And actually this videos or this vlog is not just about being something, or it's just my passion, or just so yeah. You know what, I just noticed something here. Hang on. Because I'm really proud to say that this t-shirt is from my friend, my best friend Amigo Meko Garcia. So yeah, I had it for like 2 years already, and he bought it at the shop. Maganda, di ba? So yeah, bye. Thank you for watching. Aww.